Hi! In front of me is Honor Magic4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, just access Settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on About Phone. After that, you need to select device name over here and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Full. After that, you need to select OK. And as you can see, after that, name of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!